Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create dual WhatsApp on Android. So go to your settings and tap on the search box. Now, if you're using a different brand of phone, it has a different name on the settings. You can search on cloned apps, or if you're using a Xiaomi brand of phone, you can search for dual apps right here and then tap on search. You will see this dual apps option, so tap on that. And here, as you can see, every account deserves its own app, so just tap on create button. Now I want to use this WhatsApp to use these dual apps. Now right here, all you're gonna do is toggle on these dual apps. And as you can see, creating dual apps requires working with Google services. Create a dual app for Google services. So tap on, turn on, and wait for a few seconds. Now, finally, if you go to your home screen, you will see the dual application. I have now a dual WhatsApp on my Android phone. If I tap on that, I can now create another account. Now, if it's not available on your mobile phone, all you're gonna do is go to your Google Play Store and go to the search box and type on WhatsApp Business. So you can use another account on WhatsApp. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.